What is that? What is that? Oh my god. Stop. Stop.
There are people in your walls. There are people in your walls.
This is your
What the fuck?
Weird
Would you like
Oh my god.
Stop pushing me.
I think there was a nutcracker in there too. I'm pretty sure I saw a nutcracker.
But you can't get the VS, dude. Jesus Christ. Oh, we made it.
Yeah, you got it. We're dying. We're not gonna have a compilation of
Everyone,
It's only 9 a.m.
What is happening?
You can't jump on me.
Oh, okay. Well, I don't know. I don't remember, Charlie.
I can do mazes. I can try hard any maze.
Wait, stop.
Why are there so many blobs?
Oh my god.
Head crab.
No one getting airplane.
Another slide?
Oh, he's dead.
How are they surviving?
Where's the Christmas tree?
Onward, soldiers.
Oh, bitch.
This entrance always looks like a big robot.
It does.
Do though.
Oh my god. It died. It's dead.
Oh, there's a bus.
Gotta regret everything. Oh my god.
Don't go through there.
Kill it. Someone kill it.
What the? Yo!
There's nothing else over here. It's different. Oh, there's a fire exit.
Yeah. Well, is this a trap? This one looks kind of suspicious.
I don't know if the
There's nothing.
one's up here. Oh, it's real. We can just go through there.
Whoa.
Hey,
It's flooded.
there's water.
Okay, don't go in there.
What's out there? What's out there?
Die. You're gonna die if you go
It's
in there.
flooded.
It's flooded, yeah.
Alright, I guess we'll give you guys a minute.
I'm waiting for it to explode.
Oh.
There los cuerpos. There los cuerpos.
Ding the bell, ding the bell, ding the bell, ding the bell.
Of course, someone already did. Found the house.
Oh my god.
Let's go.
Two?
Inverse teleport. What the heck happened?
We need a teleporter.
I can't.
We need invert. Stop. We need invert.
It's already taken so much.
Oh my god, we're losing more money. We're not gonna have any money.
You get a flashlight. Everyone gets a flashlight.
It's funny though.
Wow, y'all are fast. Holy shit.
Oh god. I'm gonna make it too
Let's go!
Oh god, mine.
Great.
What I found.
I'm
Look,
getting
but I
fully
thought I could do something really evil.
No, don't
I
do
could
it.
something- No.
Bro, the man! What's going on up here?
Don't do it! Don't do it!
Oh, it's the jester.
Yeah, that's what I'm trying to do. There's literally nothing this way. There's nothing this way.
Oh shit!
Jester.
It's starting. It's starting. Get on the bookshelves. Get on the bookshelves. Get on the bookshelves. Get on the bookshelves.
Figure out. What do we do about it? What's going on? Oh, the slide!
Don't fall. Like, listen. Don't fall. Don't fall.
Oh crap.
Hold on, I got this. Oh
You
shit.
got this. Oh, it's coming! Wait.
Oh fuck!
Wait. Someone look at the thing. Oh. Oh, it's
Go,
coming.
go, 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 go!
It's coming.
Other way, other way! Go, other way!
Keep your pedal videos. Oh shit, I fell!
Pushing me, stop pushing. Stop pushing me.
Oh, he fell.
I fell!
Oh. Oh!
Oh gosh!
They're coming as well.
Oh, I'm getting freed. I'm getting freed. Let's go! Let's go!
Yeah, I need you, Joe.
Have fun. You guys are done.
Oh my god.
Oh. That's not very good. Oh my god. So cute.
Oh, blob.
I told you.
Oh, this is a dead end. This is a dead end.
Hello?
Oh, I see it.
There's a spider over there. Over here.
Yo.
I think.
There's a spider. There's a spider right there.
Right where?
I got land.
There's a slime trying to get out.
That's a
To the
dead.
right. It's right there.
50%.
Oh, snare bug.
We're ducky.
Who's dying?
How are we supposed to leave?
There's not even anything up here!
It's only this corner that has.
Oh, you're late.
Oh shit.
It's a little a massacre out here.
Oh,
Coil head.
there's a coil head.
I'm keeping an eye on it.
What is that noise? What is that noise?
We got it. It's the Jack in the Box.
Run.
No!
Run. I'm looking at
No!
Coilhead. Keep going. I'll hold him off. I'm holding Coilhead.
Alright.
Run
Thank
when
you
get-
for your
Get
service.
out when you get a chance.
Zapper to one of y'all.
Okay, don't go in there. The jesters.
Glasses in there.
There's one last
Hey, we'll see
guy.
how long we can last in there. I want to go in there.
You're gonna die immediately.
Alright, fuck it, I'm gonna go in there.
Oh no.
Oh, you made it out.
Oh yeah.
Good stuff. Thanks for saving me.
Damn.
Alright, let's make it back. Let's make it back. This shit.
Making it out tonight.
Yeah.
Alright.
There we go.
Another one.
Oh, that guy got
Chef,
This
it's
dude.
the graveyard.
Oh, this dude.
So many dead bodies.
Okay.
Oh my god.
There's so many.
What the fuck happened?
One last inverse, perhaps?
You're lucky.
Everybody get.
I'm not going on the Venverse.
Alright. I'm gonna start it. I'm gonna start it. I'm gonna start it.
Oh, we left the present down there. There's a present
Alright,
in
go.
this corner.
Guys.
Go, go, go.
Good versus die.
Final
Love.
Oh shit. Are you fucking kidding me? Oh, that's the exit! That's the exit! It's right here! It's right here! Come to me! Who's whispering?
We're locked in. We're locked in. We're locked in.
You're locked in? Wait, I'll come back with a key. I'll come back with a key.
Thank you. We need three keys.
Wait, I'm gonna die. Wait, I'm gonna die. There's coil heads. Wait, I'm gonna die. Ah!